Okay, having challenges connecting my SQL database to Python, or you want to establish connection to your MySQL database using Python. Here is the best procedure to follow to resolve the error that always pops up, the error module name not found error, no module named MySQL. Yes, that particular error, I'm going to help you to solve it today. So let's follow these steps, will help us to resolve this problem. So first, mostly when you are faced with this error, you'll be prompted to install this package from Python. The package is pip install MySQL connector. So pip install MySQL connector. Now watch how the process is going, like as I'm doing it. So that is the code. We are running this code at this moment, and then we are going to use, you can use the CMD interface, that's the command line interface, or you can use the Python as in Visual Studio, Visual Basic platform, where you can do this installation from the terminal. But let's use the CMD interface to install this. So as you can see, that is the installation ongoing. Now at the end of the installation, you would see that the problem is still not resolved. We'll still have the problem. So next thing is to install another package from Python. This time around, it will start with python-m pip install MySQL connector-python. So when you install this, as you are saying, so we are going to run that code. When you install this, you finally have the problem. By the end of the installation of this package, you would have the problem resolved on its own. And you can now run the code as you're saying. I'm going to run the code. You'll see that, yes, the same code I was running, and I was having the challenge of module not found error. No module named MySQL has now disappeared, and the code has run successfully. Thank you all for watching. Keep in touch, follow, like, and subscribe.